Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be taking you through my recent Cysteine treatment and I'll break the process down for you guys step by step. There is also a big giveaway where I'll give 5 of you girls a chance to experience this Anti Frizz treatment for yourselves, so watch till the end. So they began the treatment by shampooing my hair twice with a deep cleansing shampoo. And this is done so that the cuticles of your hair are opened and the product works into the deeper layers of your hair and the results are a lot better. So after shampooing my hair twice, they did a rescue treatment only because my hair was really dry and damaged. This rescue treatment is not usually a part of the Cysteine treatment, but they did it because my hair was a little dry and they wanted to make sure that my hair was strong enough to be able to take the Cysteine products later on. So they just applied this all over, left it on for 20 minutes. Now this will also make sure that my hair is repaired from within, it's strong and healthy. They rinsed my hair off and now it was time to start the Cysteine treatment. They started the treatment by applying the straightening system Triple S Liquid Extreme Curly. Now they used this variant because it was really mild and I didn't really want too much straightening in my hair. I just wanted my hair to be slightly more smooth and the frizz to be taken care of. So at the backwash, they applied this with an applicator section by section all over my hair. She also emulsified the product really well into the hair, making sure that the product is spread and also absorbed into the hair. So this treatment is more about repairing your hair from within and making it stronger by putting in the lost amino acids and proteins back into your hair, which actually makes your hair stronger and healthier and also repairs it. Then you need to keep the product on your hair for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, she just rinsed it off and then also applied an all about smooth treatment, which is actually like a conditioner, so that my hair is moisturized before they can start ironing my hair. After which she blast dried my hair 100% because you have to blast dry your hair completely before you can put any sort of heat or iron on it. So she completely dried my hair and started sectioning it out to start the ironing process. And then she took very thin sections and she ironed it on 230 degrees. So for normal to medium hair, you need to pass the iron 8 to 10 times per section. And if you have thick curly hair, then you need to pass the iron 10 to 12 times per section. Okay, so then she ironed my hair section by section really thoroughly, and I think this is one of the most important steps and needs to be done really correctly so that your hair is straightened and takes the shape really well. After the straightening was done, she let the hair cool down for about 5 minutes and then she went ahead and rinsed my hair off. She again conditioned it with the same conditioner. And then she towel dried my hair and used the deep repolishing cream. Now this just makes the hair really smooth and also protects it from the heat. She blast dried it and that's the finished look. I really like the look because this is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want it poker straight. I wanted the frizz to be taken care of and my hair looked really healthy and smooth. Okay guys, now coming to the contest. I will be posting this picture right here on my Instagram account. You need to follow Nusha India and Not Me Pretty. All the details for the contest are going to be mentioned under that post. Also check the description box for all the other details. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!